Hello everybody. Now in this video, not diecast car or any diecast. This is plastic model kit, and it's very small, 1/144 scale or N scale. And this is the German Tiger tank. All the details are there, but they are in Chinese. And there are 8 different types of tank. Okay, we have the Tiger tank, the Jagdtiger, that one. And then we have, I don't know, this looks like a T-34-85. This looks like a Japanese tank. This is IS-2, Joseph Stalin 2. This is AMX-30, the French tank. Then we have the Panzer III, and we have the Panzer V. But today I'm going to build these two. It is 1/144, so it's very small. And yeah, this is it. This is the only part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have the wheels. You have the turret. Then you have the gun. Then the chassis. And the body. So, I'm going to do this. I hope it won't take too long. How do I take? Yes. Scissors. And the chassis. Next, the body. Okay, this one we just have to rotate the tire tracks or the wheels. And then the turret. Tiger tank, the most feared tank in World War II. I don't know what they fear about. Maybe because it's big gun which can fire accurately at a very long range. That is why people are afraid. 88mm. So let's fix. Okay, first the turret. Slot this in. From the top. Won't fit. It won't fit, so we have to it is plastic, so you can't use too much force, it will break. Squeeze it into place. is very difficult. That is why a lot of people prefer to buy ready-made. Anyway, let's do other part that is easy. The wheels on the left, on the right. The body. Yes. Then we come back to this. At last. Yes. Tiger Tank. I'm still not satisfied with this. Maybe we have to scrape it off. Excess plastic. Now we are getting in. Tiger Tank, 88mm. Of course, you are free to paint it in another color. Just remove the wheels if you want to paint. Next, this is a Jagdtiger VI Jagdtiger, based on the King Tiger chassis, which is even bigger than the Tiger Tank because it's a King Tiger. And they built a targetless what they call this, hunting tank. Okay, let's do the easy part first, the wheels. This one doesn't have a target. What it has is a fixed body. Which the whole tank have to turn if they want to point the gun at a certain place. You may ask, why is that efficient? Okay, they have this piece here. And then they have the gun, which I'm having a hard time to put this through. There is another gun. Maybe this will be easier. Why they give me 2 guns? Squeeze. Nope, it won't go through. If I put some glue, or do I make this hole bigger? I'm afraid if I make it bigger, it will be loose. So bear with me. Yes. Whew. Looks quite long. Okay, let me explain. Tank like this has a target to turn, and they need tank that can't turn. Why? Because they want to fit a bigger gun. When you make a target that can turn, you cannot put a bigger gun, otherwise it will break away or take too much energy. So this is the hunting tank, Jagdtiger. This is just normal tiger. Good for diorama at this scale, and it's also very cheap. One is around €1. Just €1, 5 ringgit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay safe and see you next time. Bye.